YouTube, what's good? It's your boy King Sledge. Welcome to my channel, The Shoto Head. Today I have yet another unboxing. I just received a package from FedEx yesterday, so I can't wait to get into it. I think I have a fair idea as to what is inside, but I am so eager to get into it. But I wanted to share it with you, you guys. So let's get into it without further ado. Bang! Alright, it's a big box. Must be a big one. Oh hey, don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please go subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you wouldn't miss a thing. I have a couple of videos coming up, and I also have a couple of videos already uploaded, so please check them out. Let me know. Don't be scared to comment and let me know what you think. I am always welcome to constructive criticisms and suggestions, so please don't hesitate. Feel free. Also, you can follow me on Snapchat. You can also follow me on Instagram and then Twitter, and then you can also check my snaps. All right, let's get into it. I'll never let it be. Alright. Okay. Bam! Timberland! Alright. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Got the order sheet, you know, little sticker, return sticker. Are you ready? Woohoo! I got the new, I think this came out about 3 weeks ago. The new kind of brown oil leather Timberland. I saw this online. I am a Timberland mail subscriber, so they send me mails with deals and promotions and coupons and whatnot. So they sent me this one when it first came out about 3 weeks ago. I saw it and I was like, I'm capping this. I'm capping this, whatever, you know. And lo and behold, I've gotten it. The leather looks kind of really nice, kind of shiny. Looks clean. The bottom is your regular Timberland, you know, soles. The midsole, the lateral side has the same brown plush oil leather. It's got the metallic tree, you know, emblem over here. The back, it's nothing but the regular Timberland. The top, I like this. This is kind of soft. I wish you guys can feel it, but it's really soft. When I saw it in the pictures before I ordered, I thought it was gonna be kind of hard, but I feel like this shoe wouldn't be so hard to break in if you wear it a couple of, you know, hours for like 2 or 3 days. It will like kind of synchronize with your foot, and you should feel more comfortable. Timberland makes, you know, really good boots anyway, so if you're a big fan, you already know what I'm talking about. This one comes with 2 laces, the regular thread lace and then the leather lace. I kind of like this one. I think I might rock both of them. The hang tag has the brown tumble leather, the brown leather, and then the back is the leather that they used for the little top part over here. So overall, it's a really nice shoe, nice design. Let's check out the inside and see the insole. If I can bring this, yeah, there you go, the shoe tree, nothing major, it's regular shoe tree. Let me see if I can pop the insole out, and let's see what's going on in there. Yeah, got a nice smell, smells like leather. All right, there you go, authentic Timberland insole, nothing major with it. So without further ado, I'd like to get into the on foot real quick. Like I said, style starts with you. I don't like to talk so much because it makes the video boring, you know, but let's get into it. I'll do a couple of jeans and then throw in maybe a jogger or two, and then we can take it from there. All right, take it out. That was some mad on foot action. Yeah, I like the boots. The boots are really nice. I got this shoe for $162 with tax. I got the 20% discount. Timberland has a program that you refer a friend and you can get 20%, the friend can get 20% discount, and when they buy the shoe and Timberland confirms, you also get 20% discount. That's what I used. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can go and get you some if you like the shoe. Don't forget, this has always been my channel, Shoto Heads, and my name is King Sledge. Let me get out of here so you can go watch my next video. Out.